Okay,
wait.
she's getting mad. Hey,
But
Amanda.
it's turned on now.
Me?
Oh,
Well,
hungry.
doggone it.
Avery,
They shouldn't do that to you, should they? They shouldn't do it to you.
Sorry.
Yeah, I'd say that's not right. I'm hungry. I am.
Where's
I'm
all your
hungry.
Easter stuff? You need
Oh, don't get mad. Okay, come on, little one.
We have here, Jen, I have a bottle.
Okay. Well, let me see.
Med, she says. Med. She wants a hug. She's hungry.
Okay, you gonna put some underneath here?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to get them, okay? Oh, yeah.
It's a med, she says.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Is that it? That's not the booby, is it? No, but that's close enough. How much does she take?
She'll take it all.
All of it?
Yeah.
You stop and burp her?
I
No,
do like.
not with that kind. If she's just nursing like that, she's fine. She can wait till the end. But
Have you
sometimes
done
if they
this
get
stuff
all
on your-
disturbed and slurping and blowing air, then I usually stop halfway. But there's vents here at the bottom.
Okay.
So the milk's going in, air's going in. So there's no air bubbles right
Oh,
here.
don't you think she still needs to burp a little bit?
For the last 2 months, it's been working all right.
You know, my kids were a little like this too.
And we had to
but
burp
we
them.
had to burp them because their tummy gets full. It's like drinking a big old thing of pop.
But she can, after
I
she's done with
do
that,
burp
she
her
can
like
drink
after
more.
2 ounces, but that's okay. Or 3 ounces.
He was saying she probably wouldn't have enough gas. Yeah, but you like your milk, don't you? Yeah.
My breast milk isn't enough to fill her up. You know. And sometimes she just wants to suck. That's what she did last night. She just wanted to suck to go to sleep. She wasn't hungry. She said,
Use a boppy.
I do.
Well, I mean, that way she's not just continually eating.
Jack doesn't like her to have a ball.
Boppies are good, Daddy. They're
I
good.
can edit that out.
You know what, Daddy? Guess what? Boppies are good.